Our next story is of two friends who decided to turn entrepreneurs when they lost their jobs thanks to their employer shutting shop. Their idea was simple, to create fun products and become India's coolest company. So today they sell all kinds of quirky home decor products that display a sense of humor. Here's their story. Delhi-based Happily Unmarried is a one-of-a-kind enterprise in a market clogged with all kinds of home decor offerings. In 2003, the personal experiences of friends and first-generation entrepreneurs Rajat Tuli and Rahul Anand led them to a glaring gap in the market for home decor products available for young and free-spirited Indians. Hence began their journey to spark off a trend of fun, quirky and desi products which would befit the lifestyles and aspirations of the young at heart.
Happily Unmarried came out of our own experiences. It was me and Rahul when we started, and we had just got out of college, MBA, and we had taken up jobs in Hyderabad. And while looking for accommodation, we found that there was nobody targeting singles. And then one day, out of frustration, we said, okay, let's start up a company. We didn't know what all we'll do, but we thought we'll set up a company which will look at everything for the young.
Having drawn up its own product categories, Happily Unmarried offers a host of home accessories, bar sets, stationery items, and has also recently ventured into apparel. With a young, creative and enthusiastic team working towards new product development, design and marketing, each of its offerings has a touch of the Indian flavor but with universal appeal.
Mostly everything that we design here, it comes from what we see around us and happening here. The different aspects of India that you see all the time, like let's say truck art is there, Bollywood, they're the basics, but a lot of graphics come from the popular culture that is there around. So yeah, we can say that the basic inspiration comes from India itself.
We're about 50 people, and we have all kinds of people in all, there's a lot of cross-disciplinary. So there's somebody who's an architect who's working as a product development guy. We have textile designers, we have graphic designers, we have animators. So we're trying to get all kinds of people from different backgrounds, and it helps you develop products which are, you know that they're accepted everywhere.
With a mix of self-owned and franchisee stores and presence in every major Indian city through multi-brand outlets, Happily Unmarried has created a significant ground imprint on the Indian retail network. Being a word-of-mouth favorite, the brand also has an even more robust presence online. With close to 150,000 followers on Facebook, e-commerce serves as a booming sales channel for Happily Unmarried.
When we started, we were the first one of its kind, and slowly you've seen that in the last 10 years the market has really expanded. There are more takers, people have become familiar with the brand, and also there are more people who are trying to experiment. With every year we probably need to sort of gear ourselves and go bigger and bigger.
What's the inherent common theme in all your products?
We would classify ourselves as contemporary Indian design. We are about fun. The brand essentially is fun. So what we try to do is we pick up objects which are boring and try to see how can we make it interesting. If it's a doormat, then we look at it and said, okay, now this is a doormat which everybody uses. Now to a young person or a person who slightly, has a little more interesting lifestyle, how should we make it, relevant to him?
You've sort of evolved your own product category and your own design, your own everything. Is there any sort of competition at all for your product?
Yeah, the good bit is that in the last maybe 3-4 years, a lot of people have come up. That is, that competition is good competition because the market is so big and so vast that it will only help push sales all over. It'll become, at a store level, makes stores more viable because customers have more choices to choose from, and then it keeps you on your toes. So we really encourage competition and look forward to more people getting into this.
What would you say is the biggest strength of Happily Unmarried?
We are the only ones who are also into product development. We are not just a graphic design company. So we invest in product development, we invest in different kind of materials, we are working with different kind of vendors. And we are making everything here. So these are also things that I think give us a little edge.
After carving out a niche for itself and finding a devoted clientele, Happily Unmarried has plans to reach more cities around the world by scaling up while keeping the eccentricity intact. Driven by passion and love for what they do, Rajat and Rahul are targeting a turnover of 10 crore rupees this year and aiming to double it up every year henceforth. Meanwhile, their larger goal is to be christened India's coolest company by their loyal customers.
Happily unmarried. I think you build a really quirky and innovative company, in terms of the kind of goods and products which you sell. I'm very impressed because this is really quite a hatke company. It's very different from the stuff I normally see on a day-to-day basis, and you built it over the long term. I think the one area where I would encourage you to think some more is that while you have a very successful company already under your belt, what is your aspiration from this company? Do you want it to be a lifestyle company, or do you want to actually grow this to a 100 crore company? And accordingly, you may want to take some different decisions regarding marketing, scaling, size, etc.
Well, those were some great tips from our SME Dr. Niren Shah for Happily Unmarried.